Turn your head and cough. No taste, fuck off. What are the ingredients to a Molotov? No taste, fuck off. This ain't no standoff. Face off, mouth off, where you missed the payoff. If you're not off, it's a fucking suit off. Grandpa knew what we did with them, kept it grim and tore them limb from limb. Drop them quick and clean before their routine gets obscene. Turn your head and cough. No taste, fuck off. What are the ingredients to a Molotov? No taste, fuck off. This ain't no standoff. Face off, mouth off, where you missed the payoff. If you're not off, it's a fucking sawed off. I've got the cure, the meds. Look at them like pimples and pop their heads. It might leave some scar tissue, but that's a minor issue. Got their pride, be fucking snide, give them no place to hide. Turn your head and cough. No taste, fuck off. What are the ingredients to a Molotov? No taste, fuck off. This ain't no standoff. Face off, mouth off, where you missed the payoff. If you're not off, it's a fucking suit off. Humanize in front of your eyes. The flesh they wear is a clever disguise, used to spread lies and disenfranchise anyone they can cannibalize. Turn your head and cough. No taste, fuck off.